I love this exercise that Sam Sulek made famous. You see people all over the world doing it, and it's just great to see people actually training their forearms for the first time in forever. But there's an exercise that I made a short video for that was really popular, and people seem to love it, that I want to share with you and break it down in a longer version. So when I was younger, I was arm wrestling a lot. I lost this competition in front of all my friends and I felt like a loser. And I wanted to build bigger forearms and I didn't have shit for equipment. So I actually just had a band and I would do them like this. I'd grab a band like this and I'd stand in between it and I'd flex my forearms hard at the top. Now there's some people that will say that, you know, you're not really flexing the flexor muscles of the forearm, it's not going to work the same muscles. Incorrect. You get a massive burn, massive pump, and my forearms grew big time doing these. And honestly, think about it. When people flex their forearm, what are they doing? They're doing this. That's what they're doing. So why not do that with added resistance? That was my mindset. I really think that if you give these a try, you're gonna like them. What's really nice about the band is at the top, the tension's really high. You get a shit ton of tension at the top, but you can do it with a cable. You know, if you don't want to use a band, that's fine. That's just a simple option you can do at home. It's just like this. You know, it's not the same as a reverse curl where you'd be keeping your wrist straight. It's gonna work the back side of the forearms, the brachialis. But instead, you'd kind of curl your wrist down, squeezing the forearms hard at the top. Come down, you can even have your fingers out like this at the bottom, getting a little bit of a stretch, and then squeeze them up. Hands down, my favorite forearm exercise, and maybe it's just because it's all I had back then and it's something that I still stick to, but I don't even train forearms anymore. I haven't in over a decade, and it's because I built such a strong foundation with all the forearm work I used to do. I actually looked like a little idiot walking around with Popeye forearms and nothing else was jacked. But this was my go-to. This was my #1 exercise. It felt amazing. And I felt like it built a lot of endurance and strength in my forearms for when I was arm wrestling. I was able to overpower a bunch of kids and beat everybody at the school. So if you like the exercise, don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more gains.